Hi friends, this is Shanmukh. I am from SOS University, Society of Software Engineers. So we are planning to start a new batch on Microsoft SQL Server developer guys. Okay. So we start this new batch. Okay. We are going to start this batch for SQL and PLSQL guys. Okay. In case if anyone is trying to learn SQL, T-SQL and PLSQL, like which is completely programming, guys. This is completely programming. Okay. So if anyone interested to learn this SQL programming and PLSQL programming, so for them, we are starting a new batch on this SQL and PLSQL guys from SOS University. So new batch is going to start from 24th July 2023 onwards. So this batch is going to start from 24th July 2023 onwards, which is from coming Monday. Okay, so we will start this batch from coming Monday. So classes will be on weekdays, guys. From Monday to Friday, classes will be there. Okay, so every day morning 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. classes will be there, guys. Every day morning 9 to 10 a.m. Okay, so classes will be there, guys. So duration will be 40 plus hours. Okay. Duration is 40 plus hours. You can see approximately we are going to cover 40 plus hours, guys. Okay. The duration will be 40 plus hours and complete real-time setup with scenarios and all. The trainer is going to take care of the the real time like with scenarios he's going to explain. It's completely real time. So with scenarios and all, he is going to show you the live examples and all. So mode of language is English, guys. So trainer profile, trainer is having 10 plus years of experience. So this is like SQL experience, okay? SQL experience. And like 6 plus years, he's having teaching experience and all. So you can see these are the course contents that we are going to cover. These are the topics. Okay, so we'll cover like introduction to SQL Server, then so understanding the database objects. Okay, so difference between SQL and PLSQL and categories like insert, update, delete, truncate commands, alphanumerical data types, numerical data types, date time and data types. Like we'll discuss about some data types. Then like keys, okay, primary key, unique key, foreign key. So, and then normalization we'll discuss, and then about alter command. And then like renaming columns, dropping some like drop command and all. Okay, some self commands. Okay, so and you can see here arithmetic expressions, string functions, and we'll also discuss about distinct. Okay, and we'll also discuss about the case expressions, group functions, group by Windows functions, and set operators. Okay, joins, like different types of joins we have, right in the join, outer join, left join. So different types of joins we'll discuss, and stored procedures, cursors, writing stored procedures, triggers. Okay, and we'll discuss about identity column properties, and we'll discuss about indexes and miscellaneous topics like transactions, error handling. Okay, so all these things we are going to cover under SQL PLSQL training, guys. So this is what we are planning, and we are planning to start this batch from 24th July onwards. Right. So the fee is very less, guys, which is 6,000 INR for 40 hours of training. Okay, for 40 hours of training, we are taking 6,000 INR and 100 US dollars also. Like we are taking, guys. Either if you are joining from US, so it will be $100 for US people, like other countries, and for Indians it will be like 6,000 INR, guys. So if you're interested, you can just ping me to this WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can just ping me to this number. So we'll discuss, and I'm going to share the meeting link, guys. Okay, so in case if I'm not reachable, you can also send an email to source university at gmail.com. Okay, so you can also send an email to SOS University at gmail.com. You can send an email to this mail ID, guys, or else you can just ping me in the WhatsApp. So we'll share the meeting link and all. You can attend first 2-3 sessions. You can attend for free, guys. So once you're comfortable, then you can proceed, guys. After payment, you can proceed. So thank you, guys. Just ping me if you're interested for SQL PLSQL training, which will start from 24th July. Thank you all.